month and just knew itself. Okay? Like you say I got a new book. You will say Sapar Chaadash, book new. Okay? If you say, what month we in, you will say chaadash. Okay? And if you will say this is the new moon, you will say chaadash. So new moon, month, and new moon and month are all the same word. New month or month, new moon and month itself, all the same word. Hayarach, Y-A-R-A-C-H.
What's that?
It's moon. Yarach means moon. Moon itself, just that body of moon. When it's between the Kadash and the new moon. I mean the Kadash and the Laban. Kadash is this one. Inferior, this one is called the Laban. So you act, it's a specific event that you are assigning a name to. Alright? So now let's read verse read verse 16.
Okay. From the top?
No, the next part.
He made the stars also.
So he made the stars also. Meaning what? Now you have the stars being created independent of the circular stars in Genesis 1:14 and in Wisdom of Solomon 13:2. Everybody got that? Now you got a whole different circular stars that he created. Then you have the other stars outside of that creation. So now you have the sun, moon, and stars. But in addition to the sun, moon, and stars, you also have the constellations. All right, so that's chapter 16. That's chapter 1. Now let's go to verse 19. Verse 19 is a very interesting point. Read verse 19, please.
And the evening and the morning were the fourth day.
So what was created on the evening and the morning? What was created on the fourth day? Somebody? Shemaiah. What did he create on the fourth day? Mike Allen, and the moon, and what else? The Marai, what else did he create on the fourth day? The moon, and what else? Manhawad.
The moon, sun, and also the stars.
Right, the moon, sun, and the stars. He created both sets of stars. The ones of the circular stars and the ones that are not the circular stars were created on the fourth day. So now, if he created on the fourth day the moon and the stars and the sun, so ha-kawakabyam, the stars, ha-shamash, the sun, wa-hayarach, and the moon. If he created these things on the fourth day, when did he start to count the days? When did he start to count the days? Khan? So the evening and the morning. So the evening and the morning, he created the first day was the evening and the morning. So now how is he determining the evening and the morning? Now we know we can go by the sunrise and sunset, but there's something else working with the sunrise and sunset, or the sunset, to count the days. What is the other thing that he used to count the days?
Outside of the sunset?
Count.
The moon rising.
No. Before all of that. Remember, we went over that. That was the first thing we went off into. Somebody's paying attention to that part? The light and darkness that he created. That's what he first started to use to count the sun and the moon. I mean, to count the days. So now the moon is working with the darkness. Because remember, the moon is the lesser light. And the sun is the greater light. So they both working together. The moon is less. And then the sun is greater, but then you got these other lights which are the constellation, which is the plasma, the ionized hydrogen working together in the universe also. Okay? And they give light upon the earth. So now what happens? Is when he made everything, when he made everything, he put the sun and the moon up there. But then when he made everything, okay. But when he made everything then starts to get synced with the sun and the moon now.